everyone, today my recipe is grilled rice balls. All we need to have cooked rice and canned tuna. First, for canned tuna, drain off the oil from the can and then add mayonnaise and a pinch of black pepper. Now put the hand wet. Make the rice in bowl round. Press flat and put the tuna mixture inside. Then gently shape it in bowl shape. Now place the rice ball on the pan. Bake rice ball until golden brown on the both sides. When it's become brown, apply soy sauce on both sides. Now you're done. Enjoy delicious rice ball. Thank you for watching.